Guys, today again sausages, absolutely easy and delicious. We use just the basic ingredient without any preservative. I'm going to make sausages with fig and mint. This is a kilo of pork mince. I mince just half shoulder and half belly. I have some skin, ask your butcher. I mix this some pork skin and the lamb skin. I have mint, 4 fig, peel it, and 50 grams of sea salt and 5 grams of black pepper. And I use always this, I make this from the funnel, I cut it and just I'm gonna push the meat from here, okay? Now I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. First thing, salt and pepper. The fig, you wanna chop just some of this, roughly like that. And always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. We do really cool stuff. You see? 30 grams of mint, you have to cut it not small, roughly, okay? This go inside, mix everything. Do this for good around 5-6 minutes. The fig, they're gonna squeeze in the ends. The second step is make sausages, okay? I'm gonna do both. I start with some lamb one. You know, you find the hole. I recommend you put some meat here. Very gentle. Put it. When you do something like this, start taking the meat. Hold like here, gentle, and push it like that. And continue until you don't finish. Beautiful, look at that. Now you see where is some air inside. You take one toothpick and just we do some hole like that, okay? Now you can leave it just like it is, even you can eat straight away, or you can we twist a little bit. We make a nice sausages like this. You see, it is absolutely beautiful. I love it. You can do small and that. You see, we press here a little bit, twist inside. If you want to do 2, if you want to do 3, this go again inside like that, press a little bit, and this and inside again. Okay? Beautiful. Look, I'm so proud of this. You cannot find anywhere because we make at home this delicatessen. Guys, this is my sausages with fig and mint. Absolutely al bacio. And if you like, always guys, finger up and follow us. Ciao!